بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Learn Quran without grammar. Lesson 18. Zu, za, zi mean the owner of for singular. Zati mean the owner of for plural and for feminine. Ulu means the owner of for plural. Use of zu, za, zi, zati and ulu in Quran Mejid. Zul Jalali wal Ikram, the Lord of glory and honor. Azizun Zuntikam, the mighty, the revengeful. Lazul Hazlin, he is gracious or bountiful. Zul Fazlil Azim, possessor of great virtue or bounty. Zul Rahmat, the most merciful. Zul Autad, the owner of pegs. Lazu Hazin Azim, have great bounty or blessing. Zul Quwwatil Mateen, possessor of strength or with power and strength. Zikr, with remembrance. Zatil Imad, with pillars and owner or the owner of pillars. Zatil Buruj, the owner of or with the constellation. Zamalim wa Banin, the owner of with wealth or children and son. Zannun, the owner of fish. Lazu Maghfiratin, having forgiveness. Zu Iqabin Alim, possessing a painful punishment. Subscribe, like.